So how you can make $100 to $300 per day using Google Ads. Now you see, I have been receiving lots of messages from people watching different videos and asking me these questions: how I can start generating $100 or $300 per day with affiliate marketing using Google Ads. You see, each traffic source is different: Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, and in this case, Google ads, right? Each and every traffic source is very, very different. And what do I mean by that is this. Let me give you a simple example. On Facebook, we target people by interest, right? What they are interested in, what kind of interest they show. But with Google, we have a higher intent. So you see, the magic word here is not free, right? Everyone who's reading too much sales copy or watching too much sales videos is thinking that the magic word is free. It's not free. The magic word is intent. What is the intent behind the buying decision of the customer that lands on your landing page or website or blog, whatever you're using, right? So intent will tell you if it's high enough, then the person is going to decide to purchase the product, right? If you're promoting, let's say, a ClickBank or any other affiliate marketing offers online, right? So intent is very important, and with Google, the intent is the most powerful. Why? Because people go on, let's say, on Google, right, to look for solutions to their problems, or to buy something, right, to find where some offer is, where some product is, right? If they're buying new watches, if they're buying new, I don't know, refrigerator, TV, iPhone, laptop, right, whatever they're buying, they will go first and check on Google, right? Or if they're looking for backyard tools, or they are looking for fitness, I don't know, like home calisthenics or something like that, keto diet, ebooks, right? They will go and look it up on Google, right? How to solve something, like how to get rid of back pain, for example, how to lose weight, right? They are looking for the solutions. And if you position your landing page, which should be content-rich landing page, right? Most of courses out there, most of gurus are giving you copy and paste templates. So these templates basically are replicated websites, and Google is going to shut you down, especially YouTube is going to shut you down as well if you're using this kind of replicated templates, pages that are basically looking like a scammy affiliate sites, right? It should be as an authority site, right? So you position yourself differently from the rest of affiliates out there, right? The rest of affiliates out there are all using the same thing, right? The same landing pages, the same ad copy, the same headlines, the same targeting details, right? So it's really hard to start having results as a newbie, as someone who really wants to take this very seriously, right? So what you can do is position yourself differently. So if you're watching this video and if you want to know exactly how to put it together, how to put your ad copy, how to set up your Google Ads, right? How to target audiences by intent, right? As we said before, if you remember, intent is very important on Google, right? Because awareness levels of audiences are very different, right? If I'm targeting low-hanging fruits, like people who are looking already for the product that I have to offer on Google, you will most likely, me and you are most likely going to get much more sales than the rest of people who are targeting non-aware people, right? Who are not aware of problem, they don't know they have problem, they don't know they need product or solution, right? So it's really important what kind of offer and what kind of intent you are using. So as you're watching this video right now, and I think as you're watching you are serious, because otherwise you will not be still watching this video, then please let me know below this video. Going to be links to my social media accounts, to my email, WhatsApp and Instagram and Facebook, where you can reach out to me and ask me any questions. And if you want to work personally one-on-one with me and have personal support, do let me know. You can check out other videos on my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips.